Hello folks, today we are doing a foundation inspection and I wanted to share with you a brand new foundation, and this is one of the premier union companies actually in the Midwest. But I wanted to share with you because what we're really trying to share with you is the Foundation Repair Con companies, the kinds of one come rip you off. And so this is brand new. You can see it's 105.5 inches. Now that's just right there. We got it all over the place, so they vary. They're always going to vary on you. We're going to come over to another spot that I've already looked at here, and it is actually an inch difference. We're going to try to get you, well, bear with me here folks, bear with me. So I kind of get my tape measure ready. I know it's not real exciting, but it's really exciting to know when people are ripping you off and how come. And so look at this here. So we're right up here, brand new foundation. And look at that, we're at see if you can see that, 104 inches, 104.25. So we are over 3/4 of an inch difference. Now that is within standards that we have. But we'll come on over here and let's look at one more, because actually I saw it where it ranged anywhere from 105 7/8 to 104.25. But so I just wanted you to see it firsthand, because what it is these foundation companies come out here and they tell you, oh, you got your foundation slipping and you got to put all these tiers in here. But yet they don't do any kind of research. They don't do anything to actually see exactly what happened. Is it the soil? Is it washout? You know, it's only opinion, but they think that they could tell you exactly what he got there. See, now that's 105.75, right? But that's, you know, that's all within standard. But like I said, the foundation company says it fell in. It's falling. Your house is falling and it can't get up. Well, the truth of the matter is there's a certain amount of allowances in all foundations, and you put water in it, they shrink. This is what they do, and it's going to continue shrinking. But anyway, folks, this is a good foundation. It looks good. I can't tell you the name of the company, but it's really a great company, and like I said, been around forever. Anyway, folks, hey, if you got a foundation company that's coming out there trying to make up all kinds of claims, and they can tell you you can use X amount of piers and that'll fix your problem, but yet they don't do any forensic engineering. They have an engineer, and this is a big con. We're going to be talking more about this as we go along. How they got engineers coming out and they write an opinion, but they present it as it's being actual facts. But if you read the fine print, it's just opinion, and they're getting kickbacks from these foundation repair people. So hey, beware folks. Hey, follow us. We got a whole series of this coming, whole bunch of foundation con tricks that we're letting you in on. This is the Construction Consumer Advocacy Institute, and we're here to protect you and protect your rights from these rip-offs. Anyway folks, have a great day. Thank you. Follow us, hit like and subscribe. Follow us on our blog at www.Construction Consumer Advocacy Institute, just for all kinds of great information besides all our YouTube videos. Thanks folks, have a great day.